Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix the no signal issue on your Koorui monitor so you can get your display working again quickly. First, check all cable connections. Make sure the HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is securely connected to both your monitor and your computer. A loose or faulty cable is the most common cause of the no signal message. Next, try a different cable or port. Sometimes the port on your computer or monitor may be damaged, so switching to another HDMI or DisplayPort can solve the problem. Check your computer's display settings. On Windows, right-click the desktop, select Display Settings, and make sure the correct monitor is selected. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Displays, and verify the monitor is detected. Restart both your monitor and computer. Power cycling can reset the connection and fix minor glitches. If the monitor still shows no signal, test it with another device, like a laptop or gaming console. This helps identify whether the issue is with the monitor or your computer. Finally, reset your monitor to factory settings using the buttons on the monitor menu. This can clear any configuration errors causing the issue. By following these steps, you can quickly fix a Koorui monitor showing no signal and get back to using your display. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.